The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety has given the 2025 Honda Civic Hatchback its highest safety rating in the updated moderate overlap crash test. This recognition has elevated the Civic Hatchback to the prestigious 2025 Top Safety Pick Plus Award. It also performed exceptionally well in the small overlap front and updated side impact crash evaluations, proving that Honda continues to prioritize safety. What stands out the most, especially for an affordable vehicle, is the Civic Hatchback's impressive headlight performance. It secured top marks, which is not always common in budget-friendly models. However, not everything is perfect. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety noted that the seatbelt reminder chime lacks volume, which could be an area for Honda to improve. In terms of front crash prevention for pedestrians, the vehicle received an acceptable rating. The reason? In 6 tests, it still resulted in 3 pedestrian collisions. While the system reduced impact speed during the 12 miles per hour crossing adult nighttime, 25 miles per hour crossing adult nighttime, and 37 miles per hour parallel adult nighttime tests, it did not completely prevent the incidents. This is something Honda may want to fine-tune further. On the bright side, the Civic Hatchback successfully avoided crashes in 3 key tests: the 25 miles per hour parallel adult nighttime, 12 miles per hour crossing child daytime, and 25 miles per hour crossing child daytime trials. For a vehicle that costs less than $30,000, this is an impressive safety performance. The 2025 Honda Civic Hatchback starts at $27,450, which is $3,200 more than the base model of the 2025 Honda Civic sedan. The hatchback version skips the entry-level LX trim and begins with the Sport grade, offering a more premium feel. Cargo space is another area where the hatchback outshines the sedan. It provides 24.5 cubic feet of storage space compared to the sedan's 14.8 cubic feet. In metric measurements, that translates to 694 liters for the hatchback and 420 liters for the sedan. The differences between the LX and Sport trims go beyond just pricing. The Sport version upgrades from 16-inch to 18-inch wheels and adds paddle shifters for the continuously variable transmission. Heated side mirrors and black exterior accents further distinguish this model. Inside, the Sport variant features an 8-speaker sound system instead of the LX's 4-speaker setup and comes with a leather-wrapped steering wheel for a more refined touch. Both trims come with a 7-inch touchscreen that includes wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Those looking for a larger display and wireless connectivity will need to opt for the Civic Sport Touring Hybrid, which features a 9-inch infotainment screen. Priced at $33,150 for the hatchback and $31,950 for the sedan, the Civic Sport Touring Hybrid is the top-tier model of the standard Civic lineup. Beyond that, Honda offers the Civic Si for $30,250 and the high-performance Civic Type R for $45,895, excluding the $1,150 destination charge. With its combination of safety, practicality, and performance, the 2025 Honda Civic Hatchback continues to be a standout choice in the compact car segment. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest automotive news.